So let's talk lighting. Almost every one of our projects we use FX lights. I've been using FX lights for over 25 years. They are simply one of the best in the business. In fact, your lighting comes with a 10-year warranty, and that covers the fixture, that covers the lamp, meaning that that light will produce light for 10 years, or we can replace that lamp. So keep in mind, you have a 10-year warranty on all components of our FX lighting systems. And I'm standing here on this project. We've got some path lights and some up lights. So spend some time, go through with the superintendent the lighting installation, how it was installed, where some of the wiring is run. That's all direct burial wire. So a lot of times it's run with the irrigation trenches. And we'll also take you and show you the lighting controller and how to operate that controller as well. And some of the important things like what happens when they're not lights. So why don't we take a look at our lighting controller? I'm standing right here with our low voltage lighting transformer. This is a 150 watt DX transformer from FX. You're probably going to have something very similar to this. This transformer actually plugs into a power source, and then there's a schedules and time and GPS coordinates on this that senses dusk to dawn. So we will initially set this up however you want. A lot of clients like this to come on at dusk and then go off at dawn. Some clients like it to be set up to come on at certain times. This transformer, we can help you set that up through the schedules for a very simple landscape lighting operation. This is about as simple as it comes. It turns the lights on and it turns the lights off. Should you ever have any problems with your lights, for example, you show up at night and the lights are not working, check your schedules first, make sure that the times are proper. Secondly, make sure that the GFCI is plugged in or not tripped, and that your power cord is plugged in and that you have power on this unit. Other than that, if your lights are not working, give us a call. So I'm here with an uplight from FX Lights, and we're taking a closer look at this so that you can understand this is not your ordinary light. In fact, these are custom LED lamps made by FX Lights, specifically for these fixtures. They come in 1, 3, 6, and 9 LEDs, creating the brightness that you might want for your project. These are not easy to replace. You don't pull them in and pull them out. The good news is they do have a 10-year warranty. We cover the labor for 2 years. After 2 years, we do cover the parts, but you'll either have to come pick them up or we can mail them to you. We do need the old board back to verify that it's bad, and you can do the swap yourself. We do have a service department that can come out and swap these for you after 2 years. But honestly, I've had these in my house for 15 years. I've probably replaced 1 out of 50 to 60 lights. And that's 15 years of quality service.